In this video, I'm going to be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator coupon code that will give you a Hostgator discount, saving you money on your Hostgator hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name on annual plans or a domain discount on non-annual plans. You'll even save more than what you see being listed here on the Hostgator plans page, so be sure to watch till the end of the video so you can save the most money on your Hostgator hosting purchase. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Hostgator discount. I've included the Hostgator coupon code next to the link in the description that we'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostgator page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Hostgator hosting plans page. You get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using our exclusive Hostgator coupon code. The Hatchling plan is a good plan if you're only going to have one website. The plan comes with 10 GB of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, one-click WordPress installs, email included, chat support, and free domain name for the first year. The baby plan comes with up to 2 websites, 20 GB of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, $500 Google Ad Spend Match Credit, $100 Microsoft Advertising Credit, and everything the Hatchling plan comes with. The business plan comes with up to 3 websites, 40 GB of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, Cloudflare CDN, dedicated IP address, positive SSL upgrade, SEO tools, professional website migration services, and everything the Hatchling and baby plan comes with. Choose the plan you'd like. I'll select the Hatchling plan for this tutorial. On this page, where you see billing cycle, click this. You'll see the terms and pricing for Hostgator. Now I'm going to show you how to save even more than you see here. Scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section and replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with our promo code provided in the description with the link. Scroll up to the billing cycle section and click it, and you'll see the new discounted rates showing based on the Hostgator plan you chose. For all annual plans, you'll get a free domain name and a domain discount on non-annual plans. Enjoy your Hostgator coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostgator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostgator hosting tutorial videos.